large city. It stretches all the way from I-35 over to I-10. It's just a really big area. So within Cibolo, this subdivision is much closer to I-35, if you look up Cibolo on a map. So I looked this morning, and homes in this particular neighborhood are on sale from $220,000 all the way to $315,000. So a pretty big range. Square feet, anywhere from 2,000 to 3,000 square feet. So you kind of have just a little bit of everything available. The school district is Cibolo Universal City, and that is a really, really good school district to be in. The elementary school is Watts Elementary, the middle school is Corbett, and the high school is Sam Clemens High School. So all of those are good schools. That's known as a pretty good school district to be in. Cibolo is a really nice community to live in because you are right here next to San Antonio. Again, we're just a few minutes north of 1604. So, you know, you're right here by town. You're minutes away from the Forum, the mall, IKEA, everything you would want. But it's still kind of on the outskirts of San Antonio, so there's a lot of country nearby. You know, there's a lot of really good parks. There's one called Crescent Bend Nature Park, which is just beautiful and gigantic. It has wonderful like jogging trails, and I even see people riding horses in the park because it's just big, and it's really just kind of almost a nature preserve more than a traditional park. So you're kind of right next to, you're kind of right here sandwiched in between, you know, urban and rural, and you can kind of access both really quickly, which is kind of neat. It's also a relatively small city compared to like San Antonio, about 30,000 people. So, you know, I went to an event the other night. It's election season here, and so there was kind of a meet the candidates night. You know, and I met city council members, you know, the mayor, lots of the people. They're very approachable. There's just kind of a small town vibe, even though you're right here next to San Antonio. So that's really nice. And then it's also really nice that you're just a few minutes from New Braunfels. So New Braunfels has just a lot of stuff to do. I mean, the river, Green Hall, so many restaurants. Just a great little place to go hang out. And, you know, you're only a few minutes away here in Cibolo. And then also Austin is pretty close here as well. I mean, not as close as New Braunfels, but about an hour away. So, yeah, a good place to live. Close to Randolph Air Force Base. So we have a lot of military members that choose to live here. And then there are also some Fortune 500 companies on the northeast side, and Shirts and Selma and Cibolo. So lots of employment, lots of opportunities, lots of amenities. Just kind of a good neighborhood all around. So that was Deer.
Hi there. I hope you enjoyed that neighborhood tour. I'm Cassie Viella with Silverbridge Realty. And if you're interested in moving to this or any other neighborhood here in San Antonio, please give me a call. We love San Antonio. We would love to make your move here as smooth as possible. For more information, visit my website at cassieviella.com.